One of the more useful things about the tool is that once you get the piece level and that you're trying to eye something, you can stand up and look straight down on it, and you can adjust what you need to make things sure things are straight. I am soldering on a 22 karat bezel on top of I don't know exactly what it is, but it's a high carat ring that individuals have flooded with low carat solders. But I'm going to try to go in here with 18 yellow easy and hope that the ring stays together. But watch the usefulness of the tool. So I'm going to get a piece of solder here. And I'm going to come in here. This is where I didn't want it to go, but that's okay. There we go. So I got that side tacked. So I'm going to see how I just spin it around in order to get the other side. So I'm going to come in here and solder that. Now I could go right around. If you notice, I'm spinning this to flow the solder. So I'm going to get some more solder here. And I'm going to warm the ring up. And I'm flowing it right around now. Got my original solder there. I'm going to try to flow it here. See, I'm just spinning it here. And this bezel is completely soldered down. It's done. So that's what it looks like.